Well, we got here very quickly today. It's only 12:20 and I don't have to lecture until 1 o'clock, so I have time for a cigarette and I can eat a yogurt and get the security guards to activate an elevator so I can get up to the 5th floor. I guess I am formally engaged by Nanterre University, but it will only be until January. Beyond that, I have nothing. I don't know about field tennis yet. I don't really know what my status is, and I tried to arrange something else for myself as far as work goes, but I was physically attacked by them earlier this year. It was not properly declared as an accident de travail. I had a subsidized lawyer for some 6 months, and I got everything that she needed to take legal action. And she just let me fall. I have reported her, but she still has my dossier. She won't give it back to me. And what they're trying to do is shut me up with a no-show job. But I'm actually handicapped. I am owed a great deal of money by U.S. Social Security and should probably receive a small stipend from them monthly. Lord knows I paid into the system from the age of 15 until the age of 37. And I fill out a tax form every year, and I vote absentee. I'm still a U.S. citizen. I wrote to President Obama a couple of years ago a very detailed, single-spaced letter. I don't have word processing at home, so I just did it as an email, and I had my spouse print it out. And I said that I will accept $100,000 in total back benefits and not make any further claim. And I will accept 70% of my U.S. Social Security account, and I will renounce my citizenship. I've been very careful not to do anything treasonous, and Obama has not answered me, which really seems strange. I mean, somebody there at the White House has got this letter. They know that my dossier was lost several times by the U.S. Social Security Administration. And it's very hard to get a dossier together here in France. No doctor is obligated to fill out any forms in English. And furthermore, they are, well, I guess that's redundant, and furthermore. Furthermore, they are forbidden to actually talk about your medical condition, even with other doctors. It's a very different system here. When I had cancer a few years ago, I was not obligated to tell my spouse. And he needs health care now. He's very, 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 very depressed and crazy, frankly, mentally ill. And he refuses to get any care. I think he is seeing a psychologist once a week, but I don't know when. I'm not allowed to know what's going on with that. I'm not allowed to know what her name is or where she is or anything, really. So I'm pretty angry and disgusted, as you can tell. And it's very interesting. I lecture on law here and economics and business English. And I try to educate the students about the differences between the Anglo-Saxon legal system and the French legal system. It's very different. It's really very different. I spent some time in Iceland, and that's kind of where what we know as modern law in the West originates from, you know. It's both Anglo-Saxon and Latin, if you will. You know, what is written goes, but also what is verbal goes. All right. Thanks for listening. Very gray day. I've got to take public transportation back home. It's going to take me about 3 hours.